Technology is everywhere, including classrooms. I'm Tara Lynn Wagner.
And I'm Cody, and I'm helping kids see tech in a whole new way.
This is Cody, and he has his sights set on inspiring students, like 10-year-old Isabella Gontes.
I think it's really cool.
Cody is a life-sized robot whose prime directive is to bring tech to life.
You guys want me to sing?
The company PricewaterhouseCoopers is bringing the bot to various classrooms.
I'm singing in the rain.
Rather than pre-programmed responses, Cody is fully interactive through something called telepresence.
And a robot here is about 16.
Which means someone, in this case someone in New York, is speaking through him. That allows him to become really involved in the lesson of the day. And today's lesson is looking at the ways we interact with tech.
Is that a bug? What is that?
Music teacher Genein Letford is helping PwC test Cody in class and ultimately develop a curriculum for kids as young as kindergarten.
Well, let's make a list.
Cody isn't here to replace her. He and Ms. Letford do have the same job:
As me, a robot.
to prepare students for the future.
Making sure that kids understand that technology is an integral part of their life and that they actually can be not just consumers of technology, but producers as well, especially our young girls and our young students of color who may not have access to that type of thinking.
During his visit to new Academy Canoga Park, 5th graders were asked to brainstorm ways technology can be used to solve a problem.
Try to sketch out and write how it can help with disabilities.
Isabella and her team pitched an idea for a voice-activated door opener to help improve accessibility.
Open the door.
But she also thought up a few ways she'd like robots to help her.
Drive a car to take me to school.
Maybe she'll invent that technology one day, because as Ms. Letford points out, today's innovators were once 5th graders themselves.
And it's critical to make sure you're there to give them the tools for them to be who they're able to be.
That could be as simple as exposing them to something that sparks their imagination
You can do it.
and makes a lasting impression. In that case, Cody, mission accomplished.